Starting around 20 September 2023, Velo most certainly is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.35% in beautiful by and large most recent 1 hour, in a sort of commonly huge manner in an unobtrusive manner. Velo fundamentally basically has an essentially most certainly complete market cap of $18,177,495, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $7,817,479, especially truly in opposition to mainstream thinking, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. This generally really makes Velo, especially genuinely positioning at 599 in the cryptographic money market in an unpretentious way, or so they especially thought. In the event that you especially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly generally is the Velo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Velo certainly in every practical sense be somewhat worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner, or so they basically thought. Is Velo in all things considered essentially wise venture or worth purchasing in 2023 in an extremely sort of significant manner, which in a real sense is genuinely critical? Will Velo cost for the most part truly outperform its record-breaking high, or so they very thought in an in every way that really matters, significant way? These generally certainly are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future, which in a real sense is genuinely huge, which is very critical. Velo value expectation 2023. As per the Velo gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Velo cost truly in every practical sense is supposed to really generally cross a by and large normal value level of $0.003, the normal quite of least value worth of Velo, toward the finish of the reasonably in every practical sense. Current year ought to explicitly be $0.003 in an unobtrusive manner in an unpretentious way. Besides, Velo can especially generally arrive at an actually most certainly greatest value level of $0.003 in an unobtrusive manner. Velo value gauge August 2023. The kind of certainly normal cost of Velo could truly sort of go to $0.003 toward the finish of August 2023 in an unpretentious manner, or so they basically thought. Velo could explicitly be exchanging around an entirely all plans and purposes greatest worth of $0.003, with the kind of least expected cost of $0.002, which explicitly in a real sense is very huge, or so they sort of thought. Velo value estimate September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Velo explicitly certainly is determined to by and large really be at around a sort of commonly least worth of $0.003, which especially for the most part is very huge, or so they in every practical sense thought. The Velo value worth can generally arrive at a decently truly limit of $0.003, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $0.003 in United States dollars, which basically in every practical sense is very critical, which explicitly is very huge. Velo value estimate October 2023. The actually fundamentally normal cost of Velo could especially sort of go to $0.003 toward the finish of October 2023, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking in an essentially significant manner. Velo could sort of explicitly be exchanging around a truly greatest worth of $0.003, with the very lovely least expected cost of $0.003, which for the most part is genuinely critical, which by and large is genuinely huge. Velo value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the especially by and large most extreme cost for Velo could sort of stretch around $0.003 in a decently especially significant manner, in a really significant manner. Besides, the minimum cost of Velo in November 2023 in a real sense by and large is $0.003, with an essentially for the most part normal cost of $0.003, which especially is very huge in a kind of enormous manner. Velo value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the decently especially greatest cost for Velo could basically stretch around $0.003 in a truly significant manner. Besides, the minimum cost of Velo in December 2023 by and large fundamentally is $0.003, with a very in every practical sense normal cost of $0.003, which by and large is genuinely huge, showing how Velo value gauge August 2023. The kind of normal cost of Velo could actually basically go to $0.003 toward the finish of August 2023 in an unobtrusive manner, or so they especially thought. Velo reasonably especially passed value examination in the especially exceptionally beyond 24 hours. The crypto truly has been for the most part basically diminished by 0.54% in its pretty commonly current worth, or so they in a real sense thought, which sort of is genuinely critical. Assuming we certainly especially look at the very by and large current market cap of the Velo with yesterday's, you can especially generally see that the market cap explicitly fundamentally is additionally down, which quite all plans and designs is genuinely huge, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Velo all things considered, in a real sense is confronting a for the most part difficult time jumping aboard, with kind of genuinely other crypto coins, in an exceptionally all things considered, large way, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. The Velo essentially by and large is down to nearly 5.83% in the especially fundamentally most recent 7 days in a sort of enormous manner, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. The coin sort of essentially is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for decently in every practical sense, past extremely couple of days. The coin could by and large have areas of strength for really yet. We don't feel that it would a beneficial resource in by and large especially present moment, exhibiting how especially explicitly is Velo a fundamentally very wise speculation or quite worth purchasing in 2023, in a for the most part in every practical sense, significant way in a kind of huge way. Inside the fundamentally most recent 1 month, the cost of Velo truly diminished by 61.587%, killing an incredible by and large truly normal amount of $0.004 from its for the most part current worth, which for the most part is genuinely critical, or so they basically thought. This unexpected down in a real sense by and large implies that the coin sort of generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can commonly be a great quite purchase and open door for essentially exceptionally fast venture. Or so they for the most part thought. The 90 days cost change in a real sense, most certainly is near 13.61%, and the cost especially commonly coursed from an essentially least sort of typical cost of $0.003 to pretty greatest by and large normal cost of $0.003 and the fundamentally sort of beyond 90 days, exceptionally further appearance. How might Velo cost in every practical sense especially outperform its unsurpassed reasonably by and large high in a kind of truly significant manner, which sort of is very critical, in truly in every practical sense. Most recent 4 months Velo in a real sense, sort of has shown a developing pattern, which for the most part, basically is genuinely critical. In this way, we generally truly imagine that comparative pieces of the market explicitly